Target Trading Academy.
Hello everyone, it's Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and I'm making this video for you Thursday evening on the 18th of November of the student trades. So I was submitted 23 trades today, 15 winners, 8 losses, and no break-evens. And we have a group from Curtis, Jim, Tausif, and Paul that make up our 23 unique trades. All right, our first trade is from Curtis. It's at 10:05 long in the MNQ, and it is a live trade, and it was a winner. The next trade, again from Curtis. Well, these first 6 or 7 are from Curtis. A long in the ES, live, and this one was a loss. We have 2 trades here. This is a long at 9:39. That's a winner. And then a long at 9:47, both in the ES, of course, it's on the same chart, for a small loss there. So 1 winner and 1 small loss. Another live trade, this one is in the micro NASDAQ, short, 12.49 for a winner. The next trade is another live trade in the ES, long at 13:05 Eastern for a winner. Next trade is another winner, this time skipping over to the micro NASDAQ, long 14:05, live trade winner. And then the last trade here, I'm going to go back one. And I believe, yeah, that does it for Curtis. Okay, the next 2 trades are from Jim. We have a short here at 10:09 in the ES, and I'm pointing or moving my mouse over to the second blue dot. That's where his exit was. So it was a fantastic trade. Big winner there. Live trade short in the ES at 10:09. And I can adjust the chart here because the account number is blocked out. Okay, next trade. It's a short at 9:50 in the ES for another winner. Live trade. Okay, moving on. The next 3 trades are from Tausif. Tausif has a short in the ES at 10:09 for a winner. And then 2 trades here, both in the ES. A long at 10:16 for a very small loss. But I like the exit because he wound up getting long and nothing was happening. Realized, you know what, maybe I got a little long too close to the top of this channel here of resistance, and bailed out for a very small loss before it went much lower. So good job there. And then as the high frequency traders were getting on the short side, he took advantage of that and went short at 10:19 and made more than what he lost there, because again, that was a small loss. So 3 exits here on the short for a good trade there. Okay, in our last group of trades here, it was 10 of them are from Paul. And so we have 2 trades here on one chart for the ES, short for a winner, and then long, and got stopped out for a loss there. Next is in the big NASDAQ, the NQ, a short for a winner, and then a long, and this is a loss. It's a partial loss. The first target, 1 or 2 were taken out there at break even, and then it just had a quick move down and took out a stop before it came back up. But it's a loss. Next trade here is a tiny loss back in the ES at 11:02 short. On the sim, small loss. And then kind of the opposite of what Tausif did when he took that partial loss long and then reversed and went short. Paul pretty much does the same thing. It's a very small loss here, and then as the market started to go up and the short-term high-frequency traders starting to get really bullish, he bought the breakout for a very nice trade there to get that money back and a little more. Okay, here's a couple more trades way over here on the left. 11:07, it's a short and a loss, a small loss there in the NASDAQ. And then at 11:32, a long, couple of targets filled, and then he let that last one really run until it got to that resistance level. It did not break through it, and before it dropped much, he got out near the top. So a very, very good trade there. Okay, a couple more here in the NQ. Long at 11.43 for a winner, and then short for another winner. Target filled, small winner, and a small loss for a net winner. All right, folks, and that is it for the trades. 23 total trades, 15 winners, 8 losses, and no break-evens. So it was there was some good movement early, and then the market really slowed down in the early afternoon, really all the way into the close. So there was a lot of opportunities that early that had big runners, as you saw, and then others, when it really slowed down, they didn't pan out because the market had gone into these sideways chop zones. And of course, that's going to often lead to losers if you don't do anything about it. But what you also saw is that several of the students have learned, okay, if it's not one of these big movers rather quickly, sure, we're going to lose from time to time when we trade. In fact, if you do enough trades, you're going to lose every day. You just want to keep those losses small and let the good trades run, like you saw almost everybody do today. And the last couple were very much the same way. When the traders lost, whether it was Tausif or Paul, the last two examples in the two different directions and in different markets, they made back more than what they had lost on those partial trades that didn't go well on their very next trade, and even more. So it's part of the learning process, and the losses are going to come. We just got to keep them small. So good job, everybody. And we'll do it again to end the week tomorrow on Friday. If you'd like more information, ladies and gentlemen, you can contact us at Target Trading Academy on our Facebook page, or straight through the website here. And if you'd like to learn about how the students are taking advantage of these moves with the high-frequency traders and machine learning algorithms and whatnot, please let us know, and hopefully we'll get you in the trading room. Love to see you there, and as always, trade well.